Thank you very much. Examiner will make you park your car to the left. Then the examiner say to you, okay, Leanne, in a minute, I would like you to do an emergency braking exercise. It's not a maneuver, because maneuver which things you need to reverse, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
So in emergency braking, you don't reverse. Now, the examiner will give you briefing. He say to you or she say to you that whenever you're ready, I would like you to drive off, pick up your speed as you normally do. Now, before I would like you to do an emergency braking, I will check the mirror.
Yes, yeah, okay.
So if anybody behind coming or not, I will also check the blind shoulder check. So the examiner talking to you all this thing, yeah? And then once he or she is safe, there's nobody coming behind you, they will say to you, stop. At that point, you just need to react and press the brake as quickly, not harder. We don't use, obviously hard is natural.
Yes, yeah.
Is the quick response they're looking. Imagine for just 1 second that you're about to either hit a car or you're about to hit a pedestrian or somebody, or you want to save somebody's life. How would you react? Now, they are giving you the clue. So they're telling you that they're going to check the rear mirror and their shoulder check.
Yes, okay.
So when they say to you, stop, they would expect to check your mirrors or not?
No, because it's you reacting to a hazard in front of you. You're not going to make sure with it. Yeah.
You don't have, because you need that a millisecond reactive time, really. Okay, and then you simply press a brake. Obviously, at that point, if you notice your seat belt, the tension of seat belt will be like this. It's perfectly fine and normal. But once you have done it, so you now in the middle of your lane. What's the first thing you're going to be doing?
Doing a safety check, making sure.
Secure your car.
Secure the car first. Okay, I thought you.
That's the first thing you would do. No, I didn't say before move off. I said now you just done emergency braking. You have got a car or children in front of you who's in shock, and if you don't secure your car,
you might roll off into
and if you take your feet off, it's going to roll, isn't it? Yes, obviously it's the first thing you do is secure your car. And that point, doesn't matter where your car is, it should be in the middle of the lane. The examiner will say to you, thank you very much, I will not ask to do this exercise again. Whenever it's safe to do so, drive off. Then you do your POM. So you prepare yourself, you do your observations, you signal, you do your blind shoulder check both sides, because obviously you're in the middle of the road. Now, this is where a lot of people goes wrong. So when you are signaling right, if you see there's a car coming, let's say 30 miles per hour, so they keep coming and they start flashing at you, but they keep driving as well. What would you do? Would you go? I know in real life people would go. As a learner, what would you do? They keep, mind you, they keep coming, they're not slowing down.
As a learner, I'd probably get let them do what they then. Do you know what I mean? I'd rather be safe than.
Correct.
Yeah.
Remember, flashing the light means nothing.
Yeah.
So the examiner said if they're flashing at you and they definitely slow down and stop behind you, you see their body behavior, they're definitely stopping for you. If there's nobody else behind them, you check your blind shoulder check and you can go. But if they keep flashing and they keep coming without slowing down, don't bother.
Don't bother, just let them go around you or whatever.
That's fine, So this is why the flashing means nothing for the examiners. The only time they're happy that if they keep flashing, they're slowing down and they stop, that means it's definitely for you. Now, sometime what happened that the examiner start making you drive, he or she checked the center mirror, there's a car behind coming. At that point, examiner said to you, sorry Leanne, I would like to carry on driving because of the risk involved. There's a car behind you. We may do this somewhere else. All right?
No problem.
So I'm going to go back. Oh, sorry. How to do that, that's the important part. So put your hand on the steering for me. Put your feet on the accelerator, don't press it, just imagine you're driving the car. And I'm just going to do virtually first. So when I say to you stop, I just want you to press the brake as quickly as you can. Okay, so you're driving. Stop. No, look at my feet over here. So you're driving.
Okay.
So like that, quickly. You're not gonna break my brakes, okay?
I'm not gonna break the brakes, okay, no problem.
You're not gonna break my brakes.
Right, okay, you got it,
So you're driving. Stop. Good, but a bit more faster. I want you a bit more faster.
Okay,
So one last time. So you're driving. Stop. Perfect.
Okay, got it.
Makes sense?
Yes,
Or
a bit nervous for that.
Don't be nervous. Obviously, remember all the things will gonna fly out. This will fly and everything.
Everything will fly out.
All right, it doesn't matter. That's how it is. Okay, Leanne. In a minute, I would like you to do an emergency braking exercise. Whenever you're ready, I would like to drive off. Now, before I will say to you stop, I will check the center mirror, make sure there's nobody behind, and the last final check, I will check my blind shoulder check as well. If there is nobody's coming, I will say to you stop. And if I feel there's anybody coming, I will let you to carry on driving. Okay?
No
Do you
problem.
understand this?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever you're ready, let's drive off, please. Stop. Thank you very much.
Right, okay, right.
All right.
Oh.
Take it easy.
Yes, better.
Okay, so whenever it's safe to do so, I will not ask you to do this exercise again.
Okay.
I would like you to drive off whenever you are ready, please.
Okay, no problem. He's going around me, I'll let him go around. Apologies. So...